The SSC32 goes from jumper wires to the Hauntkits Servo to RJ45 board. Everything's labeled 1, 2, 3, 4 in black. You use RJ45 Ethernet cable, Cat5 cable, and you notice here I've unplugged it so the light doesn't come on. Neat way of telling if you got a proper connection. I'll plug it back in here. It's hard to do with one hand. I'll manage. Here we go. And light comes back on. And that controls your servos. I got a little VSA program hooked up here, left over from Halloween, and I can just play that, and you can see that it's controlling the servos, no problem. These are normally in my Bucky skull, but for ease of purpose I just have it here. Happy Halloween, see ya!